Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today I'm gonna get you through the 5 apps that I use as a high school student and I strongly recommend. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Aditya Dhingra and now I'm a high school student studying in New Delhi, India. So before beginning, the timestamps of the video are in the video description and also in the pinned comment. So let's begin. So the first app that I strongly recommend for the high school students are this app called Notion. So Notion is a complete versatile application that helps you organize your life on this app. It has features like you can manage your to-do list, manage your notes, databases, calendars, reminders, wikis, your databases, and even you can do your journaling practices on this app. So this is a complete free of cost app, though there's a premium membership of this app, but the free app is more than enough as a high school student. So I use this app for my to-do list, reminders, and even sometimes for the notes. So moving ahead, so the next app that I recommend is Backup and Sync by Google Drive for PCs. So in this COVID pandemic, when all the school assignments, homeworks, journals have been shifted to a digital cloud, you need something on which you can store your digital documentations in a cloud storage. So this time I use Backup and Sync from Google Drive and I strongly recommend. There are many cloud storages in the market like Dropbox, OneDrive, but personally I love Google Drive. I can use Google Drive to back up my laptop, my PC, my tablet, my phone, and it has approximately 15 GB of free storage in a Google account, and I think it's more than enough. So, moving ahead, if you are any kind of into digital note taking or digital documentation, Microsoft OneNote is the app that I strongly recommend because OneNote is an app which requires and fulfills all your needs that you need in a documentation app. So it has options like you can create a notebook, create sections in the notebook, you can add titles, pages, you can even draw if you use a tablet or an iPad with an Apple Pencil or a Samsung tablet with a stylus. You can even write your handwritten notes. So it's a complete fulfilling app and overall it's free of cost. So moving ahead, and if in the COVID pandemic there are many things or many assignments that need to be done on the laptops. So for that, I think you need something like the Microsoft Office or the Google Docs. I personally use the Microsoft Office, but in some cases where Microsoft Office does not fulfill my needs, so I use Google Docs as an external office for the words and presentation and the Excel work. So the last app that I recommend is Grammarly. So Grammarly is an app that helps, like many of you have heard about this app called Grammarly, and it helps you get your grammar and words correct. The premium version of this app is pretty expensive, I think, as a student. So I personally use the free app, the Grammarly for Safari in my laptop. So I think it's pretty much enough if you use Google Docs on the Safari. It can pretty much do your job. So these are the 5 apps that I recommend. It's Notion, Backup and Sync, Microsoft OneNote, Grammarly, and Google Docs or Microsoft Office as per your choice. So the next app that I recommend, it's not basically an app, not in the 5 apps that I recommend, but other thing is that for browsers I use both Safari and Google Chrome, because if sometimes I need to do a research project and I need to use different tabs, so I use these Safari and Google Chrome in a split screen version so that it can help me do my project. So thank you everyone. That's all for today's video, and link for all these apps will be in the description below. Please do leave a like and please comment your thoughts if you want to, and please subscribe to the channel, and if you're doing so then please hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.